Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to ping someone on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to unmute. So first of all, you have to go to your user settings and go to advanced, and from here make sure to turn on developer mode. And suppose I want to ping this user, so I'm going to right click on the user and click on copy ID, and I'm going to enter the server to ping that user. So I'm giving this sign here. I don't know the name of this sign, and after that I'm pasting that user ID here, and I'm giving a @ here, and this was how we can ping someone on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to unminute. Thank you for watching.